Hello everyone, I am Krishna. Today I will make my quirky tractor and I will run it on the farm. This is the farm and he will do the farming. Like this it has been done. When I will click and I will connect it, then it will work. I have on it. And now I have connected, now it will run. Oh, wait a second. Yes, it is doing for me. Let it hurt. It will do farming here in the farm. It is doing. मेरे को उसको दिखाना पड़ेगा. See, it is doing farming in the farm.